How to use Clipchamp video editor, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily make use of this Clipchamp software to edit your video. So there's a lot of functionality inside this platform, and you can also make use of this platform for free. So to get started, make sure that you visit their website, clipchamp.com, and then over here, just try to create your account. So just click try for free and then just provide your email to sign up, or you can just easily sign up with your Google account. So I already created my account here, so I will just sign in and I will go ahead and sign in using my Google account. So just give me a moment. All right, so I'm now signing in, so just give me another moment. All right, so we successfully logged into our account. So this is the main dashboard of the Clipchamp. And of course, you have different features or functionality that you can do inside this platform. So first is we can click to create a new video, or you can also record your video here. So let me first select this record something because I want to show you guys the coolest functionality that this platform can give you. So when you go to the record, you can see that you can record any type of videos here. So over here, you can also do screen and camera. So as you notice that some of the tutorial videos, there is a screen that they are showing. And also here on the right-hand side or the left-hand side, you can see that there is also the video of the person who are providing the instructions. So if you like that kind of videos, you can go ahead and click the screen and camera. So if I will click this one, you will see that there will be a camera over here. So I will just cover my face. And when you click the record, you can see that you can also select the screen that you want to display together with this video recording. So I will just cancel this one and also close this one. So you can do a screen and camera recording here using this platform for free. And then also for the camera, if you want just a camera, you can also do that one over here. Or if you want to record only the screen of your computer or laptop, then you can do that one over here. And here's the other cool thing that you can do here is that you can just do the text to speech. So just click on this and you can write everything here, the script of your blog or your video. And then this platform will be the one who will be speaking everything. So for example, I will be typing here just a one sentence just to show you how it works and how awesome it is. All right, so for example, this is our text over here. And of course, you can also change the language, the voice. So there's a different kind of voice here. You can try them all and see if which one you like. And of course, you can also change the voice style. So here we have general, chat, customer service, etc. And of course, let me just make this one cheerful. And then we have the speech speed here and also the voice pitch. If you want the extra low, medium, high, it's up to you, but I will just select the default. And after that, you can also click the preview. So let's just wait.
Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how you can easily edit your video online for free.
See how awesome it is? So I will just go ahead and click stay here. So that's how you can easily make use of the text speech if you are not confident enough with your voice. So you can make use of this platform. So let me just close this one. And of course, we also have your template here. So they have different template that you can easily make use of for your videos. And also they have music here that you can use for free. So as you can see here, there are also some music that only available to the upgrade account. But there's a lot of free music here that you can make use of. So just like that. And then they also have a stock video that you can use from this platform, which is very awesome. And they also have stock images that you can use. And also you can easily add text to your video. So they have a ready-made text here that you can just easily change the text, but there's already a animation that you can use. And I believe that these kind of features will save you a lot of time. So for example, for this one over here, if you want to add it, just click add and it will add to your video. So here, as you can see, we have the text now here, and let's play it. And here, as you can see, you have that awesome animation. And the good thing about this is that you can use all of this animated text for free. So I guess this is a good alternative replacement for the Premiere Pro or any other editing software that you use. So going forward, you also have graphics here that you can add to your videos as well. And they also have different transition that you can add to different video clip that you will be added to your video. So you also have your brand kit over here, so you can create your brand kit. So for every video is on brand with brand kit. Create a consistent video content, simply set your brand fonts, your colors and logos, and easily apply them to any video. So this is really good. Here on the right hand side, you can see we can also add some caption here. So you can add caption to your video to make it more accessible if you like. And then you can change the text here inside this one. And then you can also change the font. But again, if you set up your brand kit, then it will automatically change the text font over here. And then also the colors, it will automatically apply the color if you set up your brand kit here inside this platform. And then they also have the transform over here. So you can just adjust the size of the text. And also they have the fade here, fade in and fade out. Filters, if you want to add filters. So you can have this one over here. Wow, this is really good. So let me just go ahead and play this one. Wow, this is really awesome, guys. So you can just add your video here. So right now you can see a black background because I did not add any video over here. But to add video, just click add video. And then you can just import your video over here if you like. So you can also change the exposure, contrast, saturation, transparency, which is really good. So going back to our filters, so here, as you can see, you have different filters that you can use here, which is really good. I guess I will start using this platform today. And also I have this adjust the colors here, which I already mentioned earlier. So going forward, if you like to hide this one, you can. You have this arrow over here to hide this. And of course, you also have your size over here. So just click the size and you can change the size over here. And of course, once you're done with your video, you can also export the file over here. And of course, you have option to download the 480 pixel or you want the HD, or you can just simply create your GIF for videos 15 seconds or less. So you can create your GIF as well using this platform. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And thank you for watching.